I am in London, England, right across from Big Ben, and I'm going to try out the new Uber boat on the River Thames. I'm starting out at the Waterloo Pier right by the London Eye, and I'm going to take it to the Tower Pier. This is a boat by Thames Clippers, but I guess they have a deal with Uber now, so it's called the Uber boat. I had never heard of an Uber boat before, so I decided to try it out. The fare wasn't too expensive and it can be purchased on the Uber app, though you can't order the boat to pick you up. It will usually require a little bit of waiting. But look at that! There's Big Ben and the Houses of Parliament across the River Thames. There are designated scenic cruises on the Thames, but I opted for this, though it will go fairly fast. This boat seems to be used more by local commuters than visitors. That's gonna be my boat. I saw before there was a fairly nice Uber boat with an outdoor deck on the back for passengers, but it looks like I got the dinky boat and will be indoors. Luckily I did get a window seat. Alright, enjoy this cruise down the River Thames and the views of the South Bank. That is the Tate Modern. One of the best modern art museums in the world. Is located inside a former power station. Unfortunately, I didn't have time to visit on this trip. And here's the Millennium Bridge. That is Shakespeare's Globe, a reconstruction of William Shakespeare's playhouse that was built in the 90s, somewhat near the site of the original. It was located along the south bank. Sadly, the originals didn't survive. That is the Shard, the tallest building in London at 1,016 feet. We're passing right next to the HMS Belfast, a very historic battleship from World War II. It was originally used in the German naval blockade, and later took part in the D-Day Normandy landings as part of Operation Overlord. It is now a museum, but I didn't have time to go aboard this trip. There's the Tower Bridge, and we're going to be docking into the Tower Pier. The Tower Pier is conveniently located right next to the Tower of London. So the Uber boat is a pretty quick means of meandering down the River Thames, and it has some pretty nice views along the way. I do have some other London videos, including some showing off the Tower of London and the Tower Bridge, as well as an arsenal of other travel videos. Also, if you enjoyed this, then please like and share the video, and also subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.